Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Kelly with Kelly Travel Adventures. We're at Canyon Lake, Texas. This is boat ramp 17. And we're going to take a look at the bathroom facilities first. So let's go. Let's take a little hike around here. That way you know what to expect when you get here. And there's a picture of the bathroom facilities. Got a women and we got a men. We'll take a look inside the men's. And here we go inside the men's. Kind of dark in here, but there's the urinal, and it's basically the same as all the other ones. And that there, it's a pit toilet, so if you have kids, make sure you come in here with them. You don't want them falling in that thing. Alright, well, let's go take a look at what else is out here. It has some picnic tables here. This is a free boat ramp, and I think this is a free day use on the picnic tables and stuff. So you just got to first come, first serve, I believe is how it works. We'll walk right over here. No trash cans. So you know what that means. Pack it in, pack it out. We'll go right up here and look at the picnic tables. Some stairs there. And it's got a lot of shade here. It looks like I see right now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 7 picnic tables. And we'll take a look at the sun right in the eye. Excuse me, let me get out of the sun. And got a little shelter. And here's the picnic table. It's all concrete. And they have a sign up here that says no camping. Kind of a day use area. Now we'll hike it on down to the boat ramp. There's a guy in an orange tractor over there. He's working on things. Fixing the guardrail, little pipe fence up. Pretty day for a January day here, in the middle of winter. I'm wearing short sleeve shirt. It's pretty good. And we'll walk right down here and we'll take a look at the boat ramp. And of course you get all kinds of cars and stuff coming in here. I'm just kind of walking off the side of the road here. Oh man. He's digging post holes. And it's always people driving around doing things. My goodness. Like I said, he's digging post holes and stuff. Doing a little maintenance. Yeah, I'm trying to keep my shadow out of the picture, so kind of walking a little weird. And so here we are. We're at the boat ramp now. We'll walk down here. This one here is a 2-slot boat ramp. Good for 2 vehicles, trailers, boats. And it has quite a bit of parking up there. This is, like I said, a free boat ramp. And of course it says right there, don't be parking on the side. Go up to the parking lot. And this is it. Old Canyon Lake. Pretty in blue today. They don't have no floating platform here to tie your boat up after you launch it at this boat ramp. So they do have a little deal there, but we'll walk out there in a minute and I'll show you that. And take a look at the water. You can see Canyon Lake has got clear water. But now then we'll walk over here. I'm going to try to this is, I guess you could pull up here in your boat, but it's kind of shallow. You have to watch what you're doing so you don't ruin your prop. And I gotta hump it up the wall here. Okay. Alright, now we're out on this thing here. I guess you could tie your boat to it, but it's all made out of rock. Probably wouldn't be too good. I guess if you have somebody here holding it for you, you could do it. And that's the end of the line right there. Yeah, you can see the water's probably 3 foot deep here maybe. And we'll give you a little pan around the lake here. Got some clouds in the sky. Them clouds are pretty. As we go back around, there's the boat ramp right there. Alrighty. We'll walk out of this. Gotta be careful. You can see there's some steps. And that's it. And there's the sign. Boat ramp 17, 797 Jacobs Creek Park, Canyon Lake, Texas. And I think we'll just walk back over here. We'll walk around the lake a little bit here, and then we'll cut on back to the truck. Over there is a marina. I'm not quite sure which one that is. If you look this up on Google Maps, I'm sure that marina. I think it's a military base marina. You know, recreation for the military thingamajiggy. And but you can look it up on Google Maps, see what it is. And usually when I say I think, that means I don't know. But there's some old boat ramps right across the lake, right over there. I don't know if you can make them out, but that's part of Canyon Park, and they closed them down. I don't know why. Makes no sense. It used to be open when I was a kid, but now they've closed that part of the park down, and we have about 100 times more people now. But I don't know, I guess they had a reason. here's one of them little clamshells. You know, I got to show you a clamshell. This one here is got a pretty purple color. And these aren't the zebra mussels. This is a regular old clam here. He's a good guy. He's not a bad guy. But anyway, I think we'll wrap this video up right here. And, you know, I don't charge nothing for you to subscribe. My subscriptions are free. So, be sure and hit that subscribe button. Maybe give me a thumbs up. Do both, and I'll really appreciate it. It means a whole lot to me. So, from me to you, from Canyon Lake, Texas, boat ramp 17. Adios, amigos.